Now I would like to show you the different options we have when we are going to share the quiz, and it's important because it's different if we want to share it with the students or if we want to share it with another member of our department to allow them to use it. So the first option we have is send and collect responses. So if you copy that and you share it with the students or in the Microsoft Teams, when they click, they will have the option to respond to the quiz, and then you will receive the answers. To see the answers, okay, they will appear here, okay, in responses. Here we have the questions, and when you click in responses, you will see all the students, and you will be allowed to review the answers, but we will see that later. Now let's go back to the sharing options. And why? Because imagine that in the science department or in the Spanish department you have decided all to do the same quizzes. So for example, I'm going to make the quiz for first years, another teacher would make the quiz for second years, and another for third, and so on. And we all we need to share that. Well, if I share the first link, the one that says send and collect responses, the teachers won't have any option to share that with the students, or if they do it, I'm going to receive all the answers. So the best way to share the quizzes with a colleague would be the second one, okay? Share as a template. Anyone with the link can duplicate. When you share this link with another teacher, that teacher will be allowed to duplicate it and use it for his or her own students. So let's see an example, okay? I have sent it to myself before, okay? So students to respond. This would be the first link. If I click there, I'm going to receive the test, okay, just to answer. So yeah, buenos días, and last one would be blah blah blah. Once I have done that, well, let's see that if I don't reply, okay, I don't write anything there, and I submit it, it's saying this question is required. This is what I told you before in the previous video. So let's answer. And now the students will have the option to receive the email or not. I don't want any other email now, so I just submit. Now, me as a teacher here, okay, I'm updating that, and this is what I see. I see one responses, and I have that, and to review the answers, I click there, and this one needs review. I give 1 point, and that's perfect. I go back now, and if you remember, I clicked before that the students wouldn't see the results immediately. So when I want to publish this course, I would click here in post scores, and now that the status is graded and all that, I would click here. So then we click here in the post scores, and the students will receive a notification telling them the grades. Next, let's see what happens when I click on the second link. Okay, so I click in that one, and now the page that it comes out is different to the one we saw before. Now we have this option, which is duplicate it, and once I do it, we will have a copy of the quiz we shared. Now this quiz, I can modify it. Okay, I can change whatever I want. And again, now we have the options to share it with our students or with another teacher, in case, for example, that we have seen some mistake or we wanted to add any question or something. We could modify it and then share it with them. With the results, obviously, now here you can see different options, okay, like opening Excel. So when you click there, you have all the information. So I'd say that's all for now. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, just ask me, okay? And I will try to help.